Let's get to the point. It was my first time to try Zeus coffee and it was a good first impression. I ordered two drinks and to be fair and truthful, I liked one of them and not the other. Pero compared sa low-cost competitor nila, sa competitor nila, wala akong nagustuhan sa sobrang bland ng flavors nila that they overly sweeten to hide the blandness. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my whole order. Nasa Ayala Vertis North Mall ako. I just finished the Karada Japanese stretching massage. Na-watch nyo na lang yung separate video for my review kasi masarap na masakit na masarap ang massage, parang ex ko. The two drinks I tried at Zeus Coffee were, number one, Gula Melaka Signature Coffee, 95 pesos. It's coffee with muscovado sugar. After mixing, first sip pa lang, it was smoky and sweet. Overall delicious para sa isang 95 peso drink. This was more delicious than the overpriced coffee drinks at other cafes. Number two, Pink Black, 125 pesos. It is lemonade with lychee and espresso. I had high hopes for this drink because the flavor combo looked interesting and workable in theory, pero in reality, it just tasted like some kind of spicy ginger to me. Okay naman, pero in my opinion, malayo siya sa intended flavor objective. Two other observations. Number one, sana improve nila yung cup lid nila kasi ang hirap i-flip back nung square opening nila pero baka added cost pa yon. And number two, I found it impressive na for some items, you can choose the kind of beans. Kasi yung ibang cafes hindi ginagawa yon. I am glad my TikTok community commented so many times for me to try Zeus coffee. And true to their motto na coffee is a necessity not a luxury, nagulat nga ako sa lower price nila. For the total price of 220 pesos, I got to try two drinks. At other cafes, one drink lang ito. I also like the brand's blue signature color and the many comfortable seating na hindi ma-understand ng so many cafes out there. It was a good first impression and I will definitely come back to try the other items. Click follow for the next story.